the rapid evolution of financial technology. Fintech has introduced innovative services that challenge traditional financial system, prompting regulatory bodies worldwide to adopt recent developments, highlights the complexities and ongoing efforts in this area. UK Regulatory Initiative Crypto Assets. The UK Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, is actively seeking industry collaboration to establish clearer regulation for the digital assets. On December 16, 2024, the FCA released a discussion paper inviting feedback by March 14, 2025 to develop a balanced framework that addresses market risks while fostering growth. Despite the UK being the third largest crypto economy